Dutch Dart 2013 to 2016. To replace the steering wheel airbag, you need to remove two mounting bolts, one on the right side and one on the left side. Before you start working with the airbags, you need to disconnect the battery first. When you remove two bolts and disconnect the battery, you can remove three connectors. To remove the connectors, you need to push the locking pin up and then you can remove the connector. Disconnect this small connector as well. Now you can replace airbag with a new one.